Everyone, welcome to TWT token update, and I do see a lot of buzz around the TWT token. It always has some buzz with it. So at the moment, this is going to be interesting that we talk about the TWT and what exactly can we have for the TWT. Now here we go. All right, so number one, I'm gonna go into the basic root of TWT, and this is what I saw previously when I talked about the TWT. And for me personally, I see that you made this ascending, it's not ascending triangle, but more like a symmetrical triangle. So this was a symmetrical triangle, and there was a little bit of this technical target that you didn't actually meet the target. Now I do remember back in the days I used to make TWT update, and I talked about how TWT is not TWT on the weekly. Actually, what it did is you see, if I show you the trend line here, you have this one touch, second touch, third one, fourth one that you popped out of. But unfortunately enough, I didn't see a proper retest of this trend line. So I used to say that there are chances of TWT to come down and actually meet this technical target right down there. So basically, we can still expect one more weekly drop here to this trend line and hug this trend line near the 0.95 something, and then from here you could potentially have a very good bounce to the upside and do something like that. Now we've had blood. Interestingly enough, Bitcoin has been moving up, but we haven't seen TWT doing anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the oversold level, and this is what I'm really expecting for TWT, by the way, is that if you look at the RSI again, this is your level of one support here, second support, third support, and we haven't have another touch of the trend line. So maybe that one very small little drop. It's not. I'm not saying it's a dump, but I expect it to be more like a very tiny small drop and then bounce off here and probably try to push back up to the overbought level once again, because that's pretty much a very big discount considering the fact that you're coming up from $2.7 and you come down to 0.9 something. You got a 64% discount, and I think that could be an amazing, like a intraday trading where you trade in between the days and you hold the coin for some few days, and maybe it can actually be pretty good. So it is what it is. Let me know your thoughts. Let's check if the 4-hour time frame is any interesting. I was looking at the 4-hour time frame pattern. We almost had like this V-shaped recovery, but you didn't break the neckline to continue to a technical target of 1.6. Instead, this is just wasted V pattern that isn't playing out anymore, and you're looking for even furthermore move to the downside. However, I want to tell you one thing, that if you end up coming and breaking above this V neckline, then you can expect a technical target to go from the top to the bottom right here, and we might be looking at a price level of nearly 1.6, and that's going to be a price increase of nearly from there to there. We're talking about a 25% move up. So that's pretty much it. I would rather much wait for this one last leg drop down here, because a lot of people have their stop losses set down there. So I think coming down and touching this 0.96 area, this is going to be a very good entry opportunity. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.